Hey guys, so here's another thing I've been kind of hoarding to make a video about. It's one of these battery backups. Had it in the box. I was thinking of maybe changing the batteries because the batteries are dead on it. I was thinking maybe, change the batteries or keep it or something, but I don't think it's worth it. I think the batteries are like expensive for this model. It wasn't worth it. I've done it with other models, but not really worth it for this one. So let's see what this looks like and see if you should scrap it or chuck it. Or I should say if you should scrap it whole or take it apart for more scrap value. So that paper stuff is not really worth anything. So this, other than scrap value, could be useful for personal use, fixing a plug, splicing it up and everything, making a repair. It could be useful, or someone might even want to buy something like this on eBay. Never really checked. I've always thought about checking, but I haven't. But let's go with scrap value on this. So let's see. Let's open this battery back. Plastic cover. So right away you see there's no battery. That probably would have had the most value in all of this. Unfortunately, there's none. Get a screwdriver here. Well, I don't think there's going to be much in here without the batteries. I know my scrapyard treats these batteries kind of like car batteries. So I would have gotten about, I forget what they give. I think a car battery is like 10 bucks. So probably would have gotten like $2-3 for the battery in here as scrap value. But since it's not in there, I'm not going to get anything. So keep that in mind. Maybe your scrapyard also pays some decent money. So let's pull the plugs out there. Pull the plug out here. So plastic garbage. So we have this nice little I guess in scrapping would be a copper bearing motor. Some people might think it's useful to take this apart, get the copper. I've done that in the past. Not too easy to do, and if you don't get it well enough with a hammer, kind of loosen things up the first shot, it's kind of time consuming. So you have this, which is very heavy. This feels like at least 2-3 pounds right here, so this is going to be pretty good. Let's see what else we have here. We have some screws here, some cables. I think this is, I might be completely wrong, I'd have to see, but some kind of brass, so that's pretty good. We got the little button switch thing here. There might be silver in here, so open it up, see what's in there. Quite a bit of cable from what I see, which is good. Another copper bearing motor here, or at least what we scrappers would consider copper bearing motor. And we got a nice little green board here, nothing special on it, some capacitors and whatnot. So nice simple video here. Get these things out of here too, some more brass. cables, and some plastic. So stay tuned. I'm going to put the prices of all of this once I have it all sorted out at the end of my video, and also in the description possibly, but most for sure 100% at the end of my video. So this was pretty quick, pretty short. 5 screws, not a lot of work. So I'm pretty sure this is going to be good value for scrapping. So hopefully I'll have another video shortly. Like, I'm really hoping to be able to do quite a bit in the next few days, some stuff I've been kind of hoarding and everything, so hopefully I can get another video out soon. Talk to you guys soon.